What's poppin' YouTube gang? It's your girl Jessmo, and I'm coming back to you guys with a challenge video that I have personally created myself. I have not seen any other YouTuber do this challenge, and it's quite difficult. So I'm gonna explain it to you. First, you're gonna need 5 chicken wings, which I got some chicken wings from Wegmans. This is some Old Bay chicken. Got 5 Old Bay chicken wings and some chopsticks. So the challenge is you got to eat 5 chicken wings without using your fingers, only the chopsticks, clear the bone in 5 minutes, and you cannot sit your plate down. You have to be standing up. So I don't usually eat with chopsticks, but I'm definitely about to wreck this challenge for you guys. So my camera's about to hit 1 minute, so I'm about to go ahead and start the challenge. Here we go. Dang. I don't even think I'm holding this right. Shoot. I wonder if they do this in like China or something. But the more you clear, the harder it gets to get in there. Dang. It took me a minute. Shoot. Alright. Bone 1 down. I'm not eating the ends. I never eat the ends of chicken. Dang, I'm already. Oh, oh. This one got too many fatty parts on it too. Oh. Dang, I want this. God damn it. Okay, I'm gonna skip that one and go to the next one because I can't. This is actually pretty freaking hard. I'm 2 minutes, almost 3 minutes in. I have 4 wings left. Let me switch my technique. Okay, how you saying it? Alright, 2 minutes. Alright, 2 minutes left. Oh, mosquito trying to eat my chicken. I gotta switch back. I gotta get out of the plane. Here we go. I didn't really think this was gonna be that hard. There are 45 seconds left. If I could just pick this up, I can devour this shit. Hey! Here we go, here. Get this chicken off. I have failed my own challenge, guys. I created a challenge and I failed horribly. I still have 3 pieces of chicken left. I'm gonna count that one as a nope. I can't even count it. It got meat on it. I only got 1 done. That's crazy. If you guys like this challenge, you guys should definitely try this challenge. Get you 5 chicken wings and some chopsticks and try to eat 5 wings in 5 minutes with chopsticks. Standing up is harder than you think. Way, way harder than you think. I'm about to just devour this with my hand because I'm not letting my chicken go to waste. Oh, no, no, no. But, guys, stay tuned for more challenges and more videos. Like, share, comment, do what you're going to do. Until next time, peace.